Hello everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. Let me just quickly share the screen. So we are going to share some very interesting things in today's chart. A lot of things has happened and we are going to share it today. So stay tuned, and if you were watching the video from past few sessions, hope you are learning few things and enjoying these sessions as well. So just give it a like, give it a thumbs up. That would really appreciate. So I would have come, I think, just 2-3 minutes late today. So I believe that we should give a couple of seconds more to the people, to just come in and join the session. So hope you all have, you all are making money and enjoying the learning sessions here. I'm also trying to, trying to just get well versed where these new equipments that I'm using from past few days. So a lot of technical things we have to learn, and that's pretty cool because as we grow up in life, we have to learn new things just to catch up with the new generation and to see that how new things are working on. So as I said, that there are a lot of interesting things that has happened in the market. If you've been listening to my videos from past few days, I have mentioned that I'm not very confident going long in the market as of now because the market looks a little bit stretched up, and especially on the weekly chart. However, so far there are no signs of selling in the market, and that's quite evident. We have seen, this. Let me just use this little pen here. So we have seen after this selling day, we have a bottoming tail bar, and we have this interesting session today where although the range of the market has been contracted, so which means that as compared to the overall body of the candle, the main portion is contracted, meaning where it opened, it closed almost at its same level. So that shows that, of course, there is a fight which is going on between bulls and bears, but of course there is no selling, and it looks like that bulls are very hard trying to gain the grounds here. So over here, I thought that market should come down and give a healthy correction so that we can buy this market with more confidence, but that doesn't look like the case as of now. And market has been continuously making higher lows. It made higher low here, then here. Here we have a little dip, but then eventually the market got bottom. And today again, we have seen that market has been bottom, and we have a green day here. So it looks like that, bulls are trying hard. And if we just, look at the weekly chart, it is still moving to the upside. Right. So I thought that after having these 4 continuous weeks, almost a month, prices should come down and give a somewhat time correction or a price correction in terms to make the bulls more confident. But that doesn't, that is something which is not happening at the moment, and prices are keep continuing. Although we can see some signs of slowing in the momentum. So this bar is, as compared to its previous bar, has a low range body. So that tells that yes, there are prices, which are not working in that way. Today we have this market here. So after this strong breakout bar yesterday, it's supposed to be, going up today, making a very trending market, but that does not happen, and we have the market a very range bound market today. So all this together, is telling us that something is not favoring the bull side. Although the market looks positive, but the positivity, in that sense is not there. So let me just quickly show you what is happening on the intraday charts. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we have a kind of range bound market here. And what I think of this market as that until it will clear all these high, to not go long or buy calls. In fact, if this market starts to move down, or let's say open gap up, a good opportunity to go short in this market. Or you can just short the call spreads here. We still have 18,500 and 700 area open. And if you remember a few sessions back, I have advised to short the call at 18,500 and 18,700. Sorry for my very bad handwriting here. Okay, so just 2 or 3 sessions back, I have said that we can sell the call spread at 18,500 and 18,700, and that is still intact, right? If you have sold the call spread, then you must be in a very good profit as of now. If you haven't, probably look for buying the puts tomorrow if the market opens gap down here. So let me just quickly see what is happening on the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, so Bank Nifty chart has not updated on the Fyers platform. That's strange. We will look this up in the Trading View platform. So this is today's market in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty has shockingly showing more bullish indications as compared to Nifty. We are continuously making higher lows. And if you just look at the weekly chart, which is very important as of now. So if you remember, I have mentioned that we have this, kind of breakout bar here, and prices are, keep moving, and it doesn't look extended. So I think, after this momentum move to the upside, then little pullback, and now prices are moving up. So weekly chart on Bank Nifty is showing good indications. And if we just look at the 60-minute chart, so all in all, Bank Nifty looks bullish here. 15-minute chart here. Okay. So if we just look at the chart here, we have a nice breakout bar, and then this bar has kind of, we have pulled back after this breakout bar, and then we again have a very huge, a very bullish wide range bar. But even then, this bar hasn't done anything much here. We have a kind of pivot high at 42,600, and it looks like somewhat kind of a distribution pattern at the top. And if it will tomorrow, let's say it opens gap down, even if it opens gap down, or if it opens and moves down below, breaking these lows here, that would be definitely buying a put in this market, because we have a very spacious downside move here. And if you can see at the end, we have volume which was increasing to the downside. So all this as of now indicates a downside market, because we have the expiry as well here. So that's about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we just quickly look at the Nifty futures chart. So if you remember, we have a green bar in the Nifty index, and we have this red bar in the Nifty futures chart. So, and with a higher volume. So, that suggests something. And, prices opened here in the range, at the upper range, and we have the downward sloping open interest. So that suggests that although the prices opened higher, but then the open interest is not indicating the bullish momentum here. So this means that somewhere it is getting a very strong resistance in the upside. If we just look at what put call ratio is telling us, so even the put call ratio, not that strong, but it is somewhat telling us that call writing is increasing, and which is why it is moving to the downside, because in the put call ratio, call is a denominator. If we look at the open chain here, the option chain here, I'm sorry. So we can see that, at 18,400, 18,500, the call writing is increasing, which is not the case on the put side. So that suggests that, prices are kind of indicating that market is, facing the resistance, and which is not a good sign at this point in time when market is in an uptrend on the chart. Let me just clear this up quickly here. Okay, and let me just go back to the Nifty for a second. Okay, so Nifty. Okay, till then Nifty chart gets updated. Let's just look at what is happening on the small cap. So small cap is also telling us that this bar is suggesting that the small cap index is also having somewhat trouble at the moment, and there is a very nice selling here. So all in all, all the markets, and small cap index is something which indicates that which gives a very good indication about the market, because this is the first index, or this is the index where people start to jump off when they when they see some kind of trouble coming into the market. So let's just see if the Nifty chart has been updated. It's still not updated. And if we just go back, yes, now this is updated again. So Nifty chart has a green bar index, but the futures has a red bar. So the tradable instrument is suggesting that markets are not positive as of now. Although we have the rising moving averages, and the market has closed in green, but I think all in all it looks like somewhat a trap. So do not go into the favor of the bull side until prices shows us a very healthy correction or somewhat time correction. Only then we will go and buy. So as of now, for tomorrow's expiry, I think selling the call spread looks more favorable than buying the calls, because all data points that we have just gone through suggesting that market looks a little weak, and there are very high chances that market will reverse back. Because when we see this option chain, look at the open interest at the 18,500 and 18,400. There's a huge open interest, and there's a huge change in the open interest. So that suggests that prices will definitely gonna have this resistance, and it has to face it. Now going past and crossing above this resistance is, looks little tough, little difficult for the market as of now. So that's about it in this analysis. Hope you have learned, and take your trades very cautiously and very carefully. Be mindful of the fact that although it looks in an uptrend, the VIX is under the comfort zone, but all in all it may not move up as we are expecting it to go. So that's about it in this analysis. Please like it if you are really enjoying the sessions. I know that I, as a maybe as a trader, I might be doing good, but as a content creator, I'm still working hard, and I have to improve in my videos. But if you have seen the video this far, if you think that I'm able to give somewhat knowledgeable or logical content to you, and that makes some impact in your life, please give it a thumbs up. It will encourage me, and it's a free of cost thing. So subscribe the channel, please like the video, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.